For our term project, we will be creating a Magic the Gathering companion app. Our team includes Derek Renfro, myself, Victoria Potvin, and Ryan Cognac. First, I'll be going over what kind of features will be in the app. We have divided these into three major categories. First, for our user interface, we'd like an easy to see and use display. We want all the major functions to be on the main menu, but it should also be easy to navigate from anywhere within the app. As far as reference, we would like card lookup, including pricing, simple access to a standard rulebook, and also the ability to search rulings from a Magic the Gathering forum. For a gameplay companion, we would like a dice roller with all commonly used dice, an easy-to-use life counter, and a deck builder, which includes pricing, metrics, and deck sharing. There will also be support for alternative game formats. First, we'll look at what the user interface will look like. This is an example of a main menu we would like. It is a very simple interface with all of the major features right on the front page.
The application will include a number of useful reference material that the player or the user may know or can find for while they're playing the actual game. First thing that's going to be included is a rulebook. This will be able to list the current standard format ruling from Wizards of the Coast, the actual manufacturer, and will also be available to have links or have rulings for other game formats that are supported by Wizards of the Coast as well. Next is card lookup, where you can go and actually enter in and search for a card. That way you can go and look up a card and see if there may be some more detailed information or if it may have some new information that's available for it. That leads into the actual card information. That is, once you've selected the card that you search for, this will give you a more detailed view. You can actually see the art for the card, as well as the description, name, any flavor text, as well as some pricing information that will be available for it. Lastly, this leads into the card pricing. This will allow you to search or even filter for specific cards you may be looking for, or for specific features or themes that you may be looking for in a card set. It will return a number of results for the search and will return any pricing information that's available, whether through different retailers or from different individual independent sellers.
And now we'll go over the gameplay companion part of the application. First we have our life counter. It has regular commander and poison counters at the top, which will be separate from each other so you can use multiple at once. It will automatically on load set the value to what the proper format is for that. And then we have a plus and minus to add and decrement those numbers. And here we have a dice roller. It'll display all the commonly used dice for the game, so you can easily roll those. And here we have our deck builder, and our deck builder allows you to take your decks and input each of the cards into the application so we can monitor the value and statistics for that deck to help you build a better deck. And you can also take that deck and you can share it with your friends, and they can share them back with you, so you can see what kind of decks your friends are working with and may give you some ideas for future decks for yourself. And we'd like to thank you for looking at our presentation, and I hope you look forward to our application releasing in November of 2015. Thank you.